When people think about human colonization of space, Mars is the first planet that comes to mind. But what if it's actually not a planet? What if it's a moon? The most intriguing candidate for human habitation isn't a planet, it's Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan is the most habitable world beyond Earth, not because it's similar, but because of its unique characteristics that make it hospitable for human exploration. From its dense atmosphere to its lakes of liquid methane, Titan offers an otherworldly environment that is rich with amazing possibilities for future colonization. Titan is the only moon in our solar system that has a thick atmosphere composed of about 95% nitrogen and methane, giving this moon a hazy orange tint. It provides an essential layer of protection from harmful space radiation, cosmic rays, and solar wind, which can create fatal environments on the surface of these alien worlds. This protection provided by Titan's atmosphere is significant because on most moons and planets, including Mars, radiation is a fatal problem for human life. Without a magnetic field like Earth's, astronauts on Mars will need heavy shielding to protect them from radiation. But Titan's atmosphere is 1.5 times thicker than Earth's, which would allow humans to roam its surface with minimal or no protection from radiation. This makes long-term human settlement much more feasible. Another significant asset Titan possesses is its liquid lakes, seas, and rivers. But instead of water, these bodies are filled with liquid methane and ethane. These hydrocarbon lakes are the only known stable liquid bodies on the surface of a planetary body other than Earth. The largest of these lakes is Kraken Mare and spans over 1,000 kilometers, making it the size of the Caspian Sea here on Earth. While the idea of lakes of methane seems alien, they offer an incredible resource for future colonists. Methane can be used as a fuel, so Titan's lakes could provide a ready source of natural gas to fuel missions and settlements. This gives Titan a natural energy supply that, combined with solar or nuclear energy, could sustain a colony indefinitely. Titan's abundance of hydrocarbons makes it the most energy-rich body in the solar system outside of Earth. But liquid methane can also be extremely dangerous. It has a temperature of -161.5 degrees Celsius, making it cryogenic. This means that if you were to touch it, the extreme cold would cause instant frostbite. Your skin and the underlying tissues would freeze immediately upon contact, causing cryogenic burns. Despite being extremely cold with surface temperatures around -179 degrees Celsius, its atmosphere has a greenhouse effect. While not as strong as Earth's, Titan's methane-based atmosphere provides a slight warming of the surface. For future colonists, this natural greenhouse potential could be enhanced by human technology to create habitats with livable temperatures. But Titan has the exciting potential to be terraformed by human colonists on various parts of the moon. The methane and nitrogen in Titan's atmosphere could be harnessed in large-scale greenhouse projects, allowing for the gradual warming of the surface. Combined with geothermal energy and controlled nuclear reactors, it's possible to envision humans turning parts of Titan into habitable areas without relying solely on sealed domes or underground bases. Titan's gravity is about 1/7 of that on Earth, making a 200-pound man weigh only 28.5 pounds. This makes Titan an ideal place for future human exploration. The low gravity would make it easier for humans to build and move large structures or travel long distances on the surface. In theory, with proper winged suits, humans could fly by flapping their arms due to the combination of low gravity and thick atmosphere. Exploring Titan would also be relatively straightforward with rover technology. The surface of Titan is made of water ice and hydrocarbon-rich dunes, providing a solid foundation for vehicles. And the dense atmosphere means parachutes could be used for safe landings. The smooth landscape around Titan's poles, where the liquid methane seas are located, offers particularly intriguing exploration opportunities. Despite Titan's surface having lakes of methane and ethane, its surface and subsurface are rich in water ice. It is believed that underneath Titan's icy shell lies a vast ocean of liquid water, heated by tidal forces from Saturn's gravitational pull. We all know that water is crucial for human survival, and Titan may offer vast supplies of it. Not only could water ice be used for drinking and growing food, but it could also be converted into oxygen through electrolysis, making the creation of breathable air possible. This solves one of the biggest problems facing human colonies on other worlds: the ability to generate sufficient oxygen supplies. Titan even has the potential to be home to alien life. While it's unlikely that it would resemble life on Earth, scientists have hypothesized that methane-based life forms could exist in its methane lakes or even in its subsurface oceans. This would be an incredible, groundbreaking discovery, providing insight into how life exists in extreme environments. Titan lends itself as an ideal stepping stone for deeper exploration into our outer solar system. Its wealth of natural resources make it the perfect launch point for missions to other moons like Enceladus, which also has the potential for life. Its unique combination of dense atmosphere, abundant resources, and scientific intrigue makes it one of the most promising locations for future human colonization. It does, however, present significant challenges such as extreme cold and methane-based weather systems, but these obstacles can be overcome with the right mix of technology. Most agree that Titan offers the best chance for human habitation outside of Earth, given its raw materials needed for survival. The major problem with Titan? The closest it ever gets to Earth is 746 million miles. But Titan could support human life, and as we look to the future, it stands out as a beacon of possibility, a world waiting to be explored, and perhaps one day, a place where humans will walk, fly, and maybe even build. We hope you enjoyed our exploration of Titan, and we'll see you next time